The OnePlus Open is a foldable smartphone manufactured by OnePlus. The product was revealed on the 19th of October 2023. In early October 2023, OnePlus co-founder and CEO Pete Lau confirmed that the OnePlus Open was designed by both OnePlus and Oppo, and that it would be released under both brands with different names. It was rumored that Oppo's name would be the Oppo Find N3. Hardware. The OnePlus Open has a 6.31-inch front screen. When it is folded out, the screen is 7.82 inches. It is 11.7 mm thick when folded. It has 120 Hz AMOLED screens on both the front and back. It has 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. It has a 4805 mAh battery and the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. The phone has no wireless charging. It also brings back OnePlus' well-known alert slider that was removed from the OnePlus 11. On the back it has a triple camera setup, in partnership with Hasselblad. The main camera is a 48-megapixel Sony LYTT808 pixel stacked sensor, 1/1.43, sensor, 1.12 micrometers, f. 1.7, AF. The telephoto is a 64-megapixels OV64B sensor with 3x optical zoom, 6x in sensor zoom, 1/2, sensor, 0.7 micrometers, f. 2.6, AF. The ultra-wide camera is a 48-megapixels Sony IMX581 with 114 degrees FOV, 1/2, sensor, f. 2.2, AF. Software improvements. The OnePlus Open runs OxygenOS 13.2, which the company says it will support with 4 years of OS upgrades for the Open and 5 years of security updates. This iteration of OxygenOS comes with some thoughtful multitasking features to make use of the large inner screen. You can open 2 apps in a split view, as you'd expect, but you can also add a third app that sort of hovers on the side of the display so it's partially visible and you can tab over to it quickly. App pairs and trios can be saved as home screen shortcuts, too. There's a taskbar that you can display and hide easily,